Right, part 3 of the shed renovation. As you can see, I've done 2 posts and 2 frames at the front. Bottom frame is for the front of the decking, which is going to go that way under the shed and will attach to the back rail and will all be propped up. Clearly, as you can see, the shed needs lifting up so it clears the 4x2s that are going underneath the shed. So stage 4 is lift the shed up and do the bottom and then lower the shed back down. And once we get it back down, all 4 corners have been anchored into the ground for full, so they can't move left or right. And it's basically all I can say on part 3. The reason why the roof is getting done, let's climb up here. As you can see, it's dipping. It's in a mess. Whoever built it before clearly didn't make a great job, which will become apparent when you look inside here and see all the joists. Yeah, split joisted metal brackets and gadgets and gizmos. Won't look nothing like that when I've done it. The 4x2s will run right the way through the roof like they should do from front to back, which will bring this overhang here will now be an overhang right out to there, so you can be sitting on this decking and enjoying a nice shelter from the rain. No need to go indoors, and our job should be great. So thanks for watching.